Let's see. Very bullish day. Damn, we about to close over everything. Let's see. Potentially. You see, I ain't been here in a while. Let's see. Let's see if this can close above this most recent resistance right here. 10 seconds. Let's see where the next stop is. Nothing in the way to like right here. All right, let's see. All right, got a closure above. See if we can get a down wick of any sort.
Let's get it.
See a closure above this range right here. Hopefully get a down wick into here somewhere. If not, probably let it run off a little bit, but really like a breakdown because I think you got 15-minute resistances right here. So the safer move would be to wait for a closure above there, but it definitely closed above on the 30. And these are just wicks. So as they start breaking these, we might get going. The daily high is up here. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Mm-hmm. Go ahead and reject out of there. If it closes back under this, I also would be open to taking it down because every time it closes under here, boom, boom, boom. What time you going in today, Roger? Are you at home?
Man, hold it. I'm at home today, man.
Okay, okay, okay. What you feeling today, man? You going lighter? You going heavy? What you doing?
I'm start off light for sure. It's
Did you get the other
Monday,
account?
new accounts. Yup.
Okay, okay,
And do the same process last time. Start off
okay.
light, finish strong.
For sure, for sure, for sure. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, you got a daily high, like I said, right here. Dum, 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 dum. Nothing really in the way until like here. I'm on the 15 minutes since I'm now waiting on the 15-minute closure. But we'll see though. 4,300 is looking real good if we can close above here. Yeah, that'd be good.
Like you wanted to
Scrolling.
jump up.
Yeah, I need a better bottom weight than that though.
The man got 23 accounts.
25. Mhm. Yeah, I'm separating them in groups now. So I got eight, or sorry, seven, seven. Yeah. So 21 plus two. So I actually have 20, 22. Sorry. But I'm going to go slow, like we said. Part of me was like, man, I can just go super duper low risk. Then the other part of me was like, I'd rather go a little heavier and diversify the risk. I was thinking about getting on StreamYard, but you can only have up to 10 people in the group at or on the live stream at one time with StreamYard. And because I want to do my overlays, like I want to have like my promo codes down here and like all that good shit. But it's gonna be first come, first serve as far as the people getting in the group. So I'll see. I wish OBS wasn't so ass. OBS had my computer running all slow. But I was talking to Nick about it. He was like, he uses StreamYard, but he don't technically trade live when you think about it. Like he more so just does his analysis. He don't really, it's not like he really stressing trading actively, entering trades. He trade on the damn 4 hour and daily time frames. He just going over what he thinks and what's going on. But he just said he sends everybody else to YouTube. It is what it is. Eight, so 35691. Move that over here.
Which we can just skip all the way to 9:30.
Would be nice, huh? Would definitely be nice.
Yeah, I don't be liking the daily highs when they be too early, bro.
Yeah, I feel like it got more. It got some. I'd rather try to catch the high going down than trying to undo the vice versa.
Mm.
But we'll see. If it were 9:30, yeah, maybe. But yeah.
You ain't got your music playing today?
Oh, I'd be forgetting. My bad. What we trying to do? What we trying to do, man? If we can respect this, close bearish, take it right down into here, at least into here, down into here. That'd be great.
That's almost 100 pip.
Exactly. Exactly. Exactly.
Just need to make at least 300 a day. Get those 10 trading
Can't
days.
beat it.
Boom.
Can't beat it. That's what I was, bro. That's what I was thinking about. I was like, man. So there's 22 trading days in a month, and I trade 18 because I take off 1 day per week. So I was like, bro, if the goal is to reach 3,000 and you really just going slow, 3,000 divided by 18 is literally $166 a day. I don't know why we'd be rushing, but it's all good. $166 a day. So my God, just don't make 200-300. I don't know why this shit look like it want to fall.
And then top one, you gotta reach 10 trading days. All you need is 300.
But anyway, exactly. So at that point, 300. That's what I'm going. I was just trying to take this shit a little, like, not too slow, but reasonably slow. Just because, bro, the only thing that'll fuck you up in this shit is just the nasty loss days. Like, I can lose 600, I can lose 800, but man, when you start losing like a band or 1,200 and you only got 2,000 to lose, you like, bro, what we doing?
Mm-hmm.
But like I said, that user error I lost last Friday or Thursday. Well, no, Wednesday. And but I got the loss back to 700. So like it just was what it was. And then I took a withdrawal out from this account of like $440. We creeping on up to that daily high, aren't we? I ain't taking it. But if whoever wants to, have fun. I just want a closure above this. If I get a closure above that, and I look left on a 15-minute time frame, that's not bad. Coming up into like here. And I want to use that hot daily high as my advantage point, not my entry point.
All right.
But it's pushing though, so we'll see if it want to go for 4 more minutes, or was that 6-7 more minutes? Yeah. There we go. Pull back. Stay where you at. Man, I just got a feeling. I think we can come down, man. We can respect this. Fuck that high today, man. I want to come down.
Falls under. Yep.
You know, on the break of that week low. Come on.
How much time we got? About 5 minutes.
Yeah, or it can close above either way.
$2026 is gonna be looking real crazy.
What happened? What'd you say?
So 2026 gonna be a ride, man.
Yeah, I'm trying to get past my $100,000 mark. My goal was 50, but I'm trying to get over 100,000 in payouts. Here we go with this shit, man. Come on. Like I said, this ain't really like an area that I'm worried about. It's just my first stopping point. So we'll see. I really think it's gonna go like all the way up here, but we'll see. The first resistance is really up here. I'm just looking at these supports right there. Yeah, we'll see. About to break. Okay, the daily high is 8 pips away. Oh man. All right, just broke it. Let's see. Like I said, not really worried about this, honestly. I think that, I mean, when you look at the daily time frame, bro, we got so much range. This candle closed above this resistance. This candle came down to perfectly retest this resistance, and now it's just flying up. But let's see. 15. I really wanted to take an entry on the break of this damn low because this is no bottom wick on the 30-minute time frame. That's the only thing. But just chilling. I'll see what we looking like in 3 minutes.
I'm looking at last trade last week was 11 minutes.
Yeah, 11 minutes, 13 seconds.
Oh, shit.
Right, because they kept playing.
Yeah.
You just kept playing around. All right, let's see if we can leave a top wick on this 15. Hate getting on the high today, man. I hate it. I just hate it so much. I'm looking at this and this, but in reality, bro, it should, as long as it gets a decent bottom wick, it should still go. And if it just keeps running without a bottom wick, it's so early in the day. Ooh, okay, Wakefield. Good. Make sure everything is right. 3 spots. On the 1 hour, this shit looks so good to continue. Really up into like here, yeah. 43.05, yeah, that's about right.
Cool.
43.05, which is this support right here, where all these wicks were. So let's see. 1 minute. I know these last 15 minutes of the 1 hour are usually good to pull back a little bit, but we'll see. Just going 50 pip increments. see, about 30, 40. That's when I usually take my first little profit. Try to let it run. Like I said, I want to dip my toe to start, but ain't no toe dipping. 30 seconds. Damn, I want to pull back so bad. This is a crazy last couple 15-minute candles from the bottom down here. Literally pushed up 190. Let's see what this bottom wick talking about. I want it to bone rush down. It's got a weak 5-minute candle. So hopefully it can start flying down, build this wick up. If it just goes, it just goes. But 115. If I get a retest of this, I'll enter. But I ain't gonna just keep trying to enter on the high because it's gonna fall down and you're gonna be sad. Let's see, because it broke this high and it done went up 16, but came down 8. Come on, man. I just wanted to retest something. And that ain't really asking for too much considering, yeah, it's a 30 pip. Just 30 pip come down, re-break of its own high or the previous high. Anticipating that it's going to continue. But got a 5-minute bearish candle right there. So if it breaks that low, a slick might come on down. We'll see. I still wouldn't be mad if this candle end up closing below all this shit.
Yeah, facts.
Honestly, like buys are cool, but I wouldn't just expect this bitch to just run in a straight line for 200 more. I think it's gonna like go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. I'd rather catch this down and they can do what they want to do after the stream is over. Let's see the difference in this. It's already 13, 14. It's about to break the 5-minute low now. Just did it. So at this point, is it good to go ahead and come up? If it comes up, 30-minute low has no bottom. This shit probably gonna break this low and come down. I just ain't playing that game right now. And that's what they call the Tonyo. Huh. If it re-breaks its own high after perfectly retesting its low, is it good to go up?
I was assume so.
Right. I don't want to be scary, but all right, I'm gonna have it just because it tapped it perfectly. So I mean, all we can do is manage risk if it starts pulling against us. All you can do is manage risk. So if like if the 5-minute candles keep falling though, I'm gonna just
go on
9. Because I just see how this is setting up. This actually is setting up pretty decently for a sell here soon. If it closed just like this, or even closed bearish back under these, man, this thing coming down after grabbing these highs. And that's why I be saying, like, I don't really too much fool with the highs of the day, like you said, this early, because it broke this daily high, went up for 14, 15. I ain't taking that. And now you looking at negative 50. And what about his stop loss? Like, so
yeah,
if this 5-minute candle closes bearish, what'd you say?
That 30-minute looking great.
And close a weak bearish close or weak bullish closure, sorry. Break of the low. I hate buying the highs of the day too, man. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. But if the price action is there, the price action is there. There's plenty of liquidity that has been grabbed. The real stop loss is how many? 60. We got 1 minute till this 5-minute candle closes.
Forget the high, man. Just go ahead and close under that.
Yeah, exactly, bro. And part of me is like, man, and whatever you do, just wait till 9 anyway.
And it too many times.
Man, that did it too many times. Yeah, it's 5 minutes about to close. Hella strong bearish.
Cancel that
It might
shit.
close with no bottom wick though, and if it closes with no bottom wick, it could bone rush up real quick, but we'll see. I got about.
What'd
you say?
Man, I've been eating Thanksgiving food, man.
I muted him. I don't know if you meant to be talking. All right, I'm gonna delete this. If you meant to be talking, then just unmute you. But let's see, from the break of this week 5 low right there, it's already given. There's no bottom wick or no top wick. You already in it. 27, 28 already from the break of that low. Man, that's a lot to have to do in the next 7-8 minutes. You got to come up, break this high from 70 pips down, and then I want you to run another 30, 40, 50. But we got our new low. I don't mind this. Get me out of here. Roger's almost like he got some experience in the game or something, bro.
Trying to say. Don't want to do too much though.
Yeah, come on now, stop. Damn. Here we go. Here we go. That 30-minute making that new low. That's what we call the Tonio. Bro, Tonio used to have so much leverage on this shit. He would try to get 15, bro. That's so crazy in hindsight with all this volume. But price action was there, man. Closure back under this range. It didn't have a top wick, but once it broke this low, coming downtown into this little area right here. Damn. Yep. Perfect. Yeah. Oh, let's see what the next move is at 9 though.
I hate when all the right moves be going, like when you got 10 minutes left. Hey.
No, I'm telling you. So now at this point, am I waiting on a closure below this? It depends. If it leaves range, I'll take it down. Like, this is still a lot of range down into here.
Needs to stay like right there.
Right, literally right here. If you can take advantage.
8 minutes.
Yeah, you can take advantage of here to there and then the rest. It would have been perfect if it closed up here. Sometimes I'll be thinking about these impulse entries, like what would it look like just taking this shit down? Because all that was a 30-minute making a new low, but then you had this candle that closed bullish, these candles that closed bullish. It could have easily just hardly broken and continued up. So it's always easy to say in hindsight. Look at this 1 hour candle.
Yeah, even if that closes below.
You still got range. I don't want it to get too much now. I'm looking at this and it made me a little scary. You know, I get scary now. But if you look just simply at this, it should come on down. Then you got, the 30 and the 1 hour closing weak bullish, rejecting out of these. If it opens straight up and then it comes and makes a low, that'd be perfect. We'll see. Has this run too far now, or is it gonna have another 40, 50 in it?
That shit crazy that 5 minute did all that.
Bruh, with no top wick. No top wick, just straight break that little low and fall out for 70. That's what be killing me, bruh. Let me go to the 1 minute. Why can't this happen when we in some shit? 3 minutes, 75th. Let's see what we got. 5 minutes for this 1 hour closure. You can either play this range game or you can wait for a closure below or above now again. But now you gotta probably wait till above there potentially. We'll see. Let's see how this 1 hour is about to close. Not bad down into there. I don't feel comfortable holding it like hella far down into here. I would have felt more comfortable if I closed up here, holding it down to here. But I don't know if it's gonna fall from here down and down and down. But I ain't gonna complain about 60, 70 though either, if that were to happen.
This thing's gonna fall down today.
The 4 hour is bearish. Well, bullish technically, but it's trying to come down out of this high. The 1 hour is about to reject all this shit. 30-minute candle's about to close bearish. The 15-minute candle's about to close bearish. Is it getting stuck up right here? Or am I seeing green? Seeing red. We'll see. Depending on how this top wick looks, I might try my hand at it just because every time we close back in here, we usually were able to come down. Even if you look to the left, I bet it's kind of the same thing. Yeah, we were respected here, came down into here, down into here, down into here. Oh, we'll see.
2 minutes.
We'll see. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Miss 100% of the shots you don't take. And that's why I diversify risk. Let's see. 1 minute. Let's see what this top wick is talking about. If I were to take something. The 30-minute support is really only down here, which is about 55 away. Bro, what is going on? Now I just need a closure under here at this point. This one got way too small. That's crazy. Hanging out in the range. And then it's about to close with no bottom wick. I'm already knowing. Brandon, where you at? 1 hour. Oh, this isn't bad though on the break of this low. Man. The impulse entry in me says, man, you can definitely take a break of this low down.
Nah, true.
Even though you selling right into a support.
I like it though.
Damn, part of me want to take that shit just to test it. I want a better top wick than this. Let's see, that's 30. You expect it to come down into here. I might try my hand at that, honestly. But I'm going half the risk that I would originally use. Well, yeah, like about half. So I'm going to try my hand at that. Oop. 4279.8. 4279.8. 79.8. I'm going to break it that low. And just see, I mean, what's the worst that can happen?
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Ooh, here you go. Telling you. Damn, that thing moved fast. I think I seen like 30 real fast. I seen 30 dumb fast. I couldn't even do nothing with it. Hope it continues. Are you in there, Roger?
I took off.
Okay.
I see this little support right here, so it's like
all right, let me see. Oh, I see. I might need to just be smart here. Come on now. Keep pushing. Ooh. This thing don't want to push, do it. I still ain't taking nothing yet. I'm wondering if I should move my stop up a little bit or if I should hold it where it's at. You see, yeah, that's a good eye right there. I don't want to make it a bigger loss than I should, especially since I've seen the profits. Let's see. I'll see how I want to manage it if I get back down in profit. Let's see. The real stop could really be all the way up here. It could be making a higher top wick. You just don't know where the top wick can go to. I got a little bit to play with of room, so I'm gonna move it up just a little back in the range and see what it wants to do. But I'm with you though. If I get back down to this support, I'll probably take some off. Let's see. Because if I can get a 5-minute candle to close bearish, I'll be straight. If I get it closing bullish, but like you said, it definitely hit that support right there. Damn, I be doing too much trying to manage all these damn accounts. But we'll see. Let's see, I'll take off 5 right in here somewhere again. That thing rushed down so fast, I couldn't do nothing. If I can get a 5-minute candle to close bearish and then just come on down again, that'd be great. Because I think the real targets is like down here. See, 1 minute left for this candle to close. Damn. You think that this volume gonna kick and finish it out, but like I said, the real move, I mean, it's got plenty more. to come. It's just you don't know how this top wick is gonna make. So I'll see. I'll wait on at least like a 15-minute to close. 15 seconds. I'm on a 5-minute candle. If I can get a quick rush down, I'll either flatten all or I'll probably flatten all. Let's see. 5 seconds.
We should be able to hit that other support.
I think so. So with no top wick, I might take it all though, just because I'm anticipating this candle will make a top wick. So let's see. And then it's the first trade of the week, so you want to protect what you got there. So we right here again. I'm up about 25.
Order filled.
Cool.
Order filled.
All right, bet. So first trade, made a little 186. And it might fall, but I'm going to protect what I got there. Except for cool first trade of the day. What was that? 186.
I knew it was about to touch that shit.
Yeah. I hate this no top wick though. Of course, I got 14 more pips. But it's cool. That's 32 pips that I just caught right there. First trade. Had me a little scary now. Trust them impulse, good call. Yeah, thanks, bro. It's so annoying because like it's such a fine line between like trusting yourself and like being a dickhead. It's like you can do that shit all you want to until you seen 30 again and then back negative. It's like, bro.
But you did it right though. You trust your impulse, but you still lower
exactly. Like weak bullish candle. Sorry, taking it down into this support right here, which was actually 42.74.2 right there, and I did see that 15 minute right there. So I'm with you though. It's more opportunities too. So we'll just have
9:30 even hit yet.
Exactly. So 1 second, I'll be right back. Some just fell. 1 second. All right, I'm back. So let's see. It was a little trade, but it was a trade nonetheless. It's so funny because I took that trade on this account and I got a later entry over here by like, a good amount, honestly. 4276.8, 4276. Oh, yeah, by like 11 pips. So what I caught was what I caught. I caught 20 over here and 32 over here. But it's all good though. Just trying to consistently, I mean, it's 9 o'clock and I already made $180 so far, so who complaining about that? Now I'm about to go ahead and switch over to another set of accounts. Those accounts are done for the day. Let's see what I can do. Roger, you remember the days of throwing them 2s and 3s?
Do I?
That'd have been perfect for that 3. Well, no, it wasn't under 10 seconds, so never mind. Heard that too. Oof. What I used to have my damn nerves. Terrible. I bet you if this candle closes above, it'll break this high and go.
I don't remember the last time I stressed, bro.
Bro, how long did that trade take you and how much you made?
On the first, it was 10 seconds.
I made 180.
But I
made 180.
200.
Bruh.
I
only threw a 6 on, and I only threw a 6 on that.
You did a 6?
What you throw on that?
Oh, what is it? I threw a 7.
I didn't. It was an impulse now, so I was like, "Shit, let me chill," because that shit could have easily smacked this support and flew up. I was like, "Let me go ahead and calm down." But no, I'm happy with that first trade. I'm definitely happy with that first trade.
Another 100, I'll be good for the day. Shit, get my 300 for the day.
Hey, bro, you can't beat it. And now you only got to throw like what, a 5, 6, maybe, like a 5 or a 6 for 20, 25, 30, and call it a day. Damn, bro. I ain't gonna say I should have held because I did what I did for a reason, but I did not like that no top wick on that 5, and that thing came right into my target. You said it would too, though. All I had to do was break this low again. That's some extra pips that you be wanting because I got out at 4276.7, and that's an extra, bro, 30, 35. Like, need that. Need that. That's an extra $180, bro. And over here, even more. So it's all good. I went low risk, like 6, 7. But we gonna see. I'm definitely looking at this buy off support. It came right into that support area right here. This was scaring me. I was like, and I know I shouldn't be worried about no damn 15-minute support for real, but the facts are the facts. So let's see. I'm down. I'm up 178 on the day. I'll take another 7, 6 or 7 if I get what I want to see here. I need a straight bone rush down because this is still a 1 hour making a high and filling this wick right here. So I would like a buy on the break of this high, respecting this support right here. And if I take this trade and it's green,
great first day of the month.
that might be the day. No lie. No lie. Even a weak bearish, I would like that. Like I said, man, just a 1 hour candle, and the 1 hour candle has did all that, and now has a wick to fill and the resistance to get up into. They can stay right here, the technical stop is all the way down here for 120, but hopefully we get a decent current candle bottom wick. Bro, that shit fell to 30 so fast, Roger.
I be forgetting about them 10-second rule, man.
Bro, exactly. It's easy to when you win it. It's easy to when you win it.
God, this shit gonna keep coming down, though, bro.
It might keep coming down, but I'm just trying to catch the high. That's why part of me is just like, bro, whatever you get, take it up in here, like right here. Cause that's 50, bro. Like, it's nothing in the way. And if this 1 hour is trying to make a top, which it likely will, it's come on. I already know Brandon saw it. I'm I'm gonna throw a 7. I'm gonna throw a 7 over here. What's my first stop? My first stop is like right here, which is still 30 plus away. But I really don't think it's going to even stop till up in the year. So we'll see. Let's see. Come on. Give me a bottom wick. Break of this week bearish high. Come on. Don't do the bullshit now. Come on. Don't do the bullshit now. I don't want to see it. I ain't asking too much. Damn. Come on now. Could get in and just anticipate volume with no bottom wick, but no wick, no entry for me. I'm good. Fuck. I think it's gonna do what I need to do though. I'd rather not get in and be hoping though. 1 of 15. Come on, make this bottom.
Come down.
Make this bottom wick. Give me that low. You could definitely use the previous 5 as your stop loss, though. If you did want to take this, I just really want a bottom wick, man. Fuck. I can go lower risk, but it's just at that point, it's like you're gonna be mad if you do get in and it goes right, and you're gonna be mad you waste the money even if it goes wrong. So a lower risk trade does nothing for me. Taking a 3 and making 25 pips and making $50. Like, I just rather take my full risk. There we go. Come on. Just playing around. Damn. All right, just broke the high. All right, good. That's good. Get people in, now make a low. Yes. Come on. I don't know, Roger.
I'm with you. No wick, no entry.
Bro, what you said up here? We seen it too many times. Come on, man. Like I said, I'll be zoomed in like hell. Let me get it. Taking away from my little range. Come on now. I want this thing to come down in the ear, boy. But at least tap in right here. At least.
Yeah, I'm like, come on.
Ain't nothing for me to even say about this.
Just don't want to do it.
Bro, I just don't understand it. I think the next 5 minute could do it. Maybe break this week 5 low, come down and re-break the previous 5 high, which is the 15 minute, still breaking its own high. But come on now. Let's do something. Oh, man. There we go. Okay. That should be enough now. Now let's see if this 5 minute can go ahead and close bullish. I still want a little more than that, to be honest. It tapped it perfectly, though. Okay, that should be good. I mean, if it re-breaks its own high now. 4283.7. 4283.7. 4283.7. It's really like 4283.8. But okay. Stops can either be under this current candle or it could be kind of back in the range a little bit, give it a little more room to breathe. But if this can make a better bottom wick, that'd be fine with me as well. Yeah, so if this can come back up and break its high, this 5 minute has no top wick, it'd be good. Oh yeah. Let me go ahead and get my shit in order right now. 286.7. Limit sell 4 or 5. I'll take 5. 86.7. See if it'll do it. 4290.8. And what's the next move if it don't? If it don't close back above, probably a sell.
A sell, 930.
Yeah, 930 sell. So I'm open to both ideas. I ain't worried about this at 930. Definitely ain't worried about this. Come on now. So you got plus 200 on all 3 accounts, Roger? Or you got 2 accounts?
Yeah, 200. That first one I got that payout from, I ain't blowing that one no more. Tired of blowing that shit after I get
it's so easy too. It's so easy too. That drawdown so little after the payout on a 50K. If you take it off. That's the only thing. Like I loaded up on 50K just because I'm trying to, like my dog used to say, the fast dime over a fast penny over a slow dime or whatever. So I got some 50Ks and they were cheaper, obviously. But yeah, bro, that drawdown is tight. You got,
man, bro, careful. What?
You really shouldn't even like be trading to lose like more than $200-300. You only got $1,000 to lose.
I used to blow that account 3 days after.
3? Try a trade or 2. Man, it's so easy to. It's valid.
Yeah, this shit might
valid,
be over.
Bro. I ain't gonna say obviously, but I ain't trying to use all this as my stops.
I would prefer it close back under and let 930 just do what it do.
Yeah. I got the 5 minute over here. I got a 15 minute over here. So I'm looking at this price action. If this 5 minute start breaking its own high and it's not and closes above or expecting, or even weak like this and closes above this one, like this is the closure that we're looking at. What it's gonna do. I shouldn't be too worried about this 15 minute support, but we'll see. Man.
If we close under there, that's definitely gonna go.
I agree. I'm gonna get my laptop. I'll be back. I'm back. Look like I don't know, man.
That 5-minute
It's
taking
like,
time.
and it's like I don't even like one more than the other. Honestly, I really don't. It's just if this bit close under this, it's coming down into here. If it close respecting this, preferably even this, it still got to make a much higher top wick. We getting so damn close to 9:30 at this point. I'm like,
That 5-minute plan, man.
You said what?
That 5 minutes need to go on up and make a
Yeah,
top
I need to
wick
go
or
ahead and
something.
flip up if it want to flip up. Shit, I'm scared to have this damn sell limit right here because it might shoot up in 5 seconds. They gonna be like, bad. Yeah, see now this 5-minute done closed below.
I wanted to close below, bro. Come on.
Might do it. Might do that. I got my buy stop set for about another minute. But after that, I'm gonna just delete and wait. Let's see.
Oh, shit.
Uh-oh.
Marcus said, you ain't deleting shit.
Really right. Let's see. And if it breaks this week 5-minute high, it's probably gonna break. It's probably gonna come up into here. If I were risky, I would take my entry right here. Catch that extra 23. You expect it to go up anyway. But nah. I'll wait. I seen the market moving. I ain't too antsy. I'm using my higher time frame, 15 minutes, and a 30, and 1 hour. What time is it? I gotta delete. Gotta delete because I don't want to get caught in the position and then 9:30 do some bullshit like it did to me last week. So we'll see.
Come on, man. Go under. Good.
Yeah, so let me clear this off now. I got my little Zoom call to my left, or to my right, sorry. This is my first target on the buys. This is my long targets on the buys, just because the top of the range right here. Hmm. 2 minutes. If it can close like right under here, that would make me a lot more happy than this. Because if it closes like this, I still like it though, especially at 9:30. At 9:30, it's gonna blast through all this shit. And I probably would just throw one position just to and bro, that's my I like this trade a lot, especially at 9:30. You can just stay respecting all these to the left going up still. Because the 1 hour still has no top or not much of a thing. One minute. All right, there we go. There we go. 5 minute breaking up now. I need a bottom wick. Stop loss is likely to go something like, you can do it under structure. really use under there somewhere if you want to. We'll see. All right, let's see. All right, same shit. I'm gonna do it again. And now we got a better bottom wick. There we go. Ooh, I'm probably gonna take my full position just with. No, I ain't gonna say that. Let's see. The same thought process, honestly. 4287.5. Now if it breaks this high, this 30 did close weak ass bearish. If this thing just keeps melting, that's just the luck of the draw. And the daily low is low as hell. All the way down here. Right there. Whew. Not using this low, y'all.
Would you move it to the current candle?
Nah, I'll probably keep it the same. Just
Previous one?
Yeah, previous high. But you definitely could. I just would prefer to get above all this, which is the 1 hour high.
Man, that shit better have no reason to come back down.
1 sec. All right. I'm back. Whew, come on, man. I just want this thing to just fly up. I might take my full position if it's not 30 does what I need it to do. Like a quick 40, 50. That's 36 just up into that alone. trying to let these runners do what they do. Damn, Roger, I don't know if it wants to be great, man. I still like it to go up if it breaks the highs. I just hate how low it got to come from.
Yeah.
All right, 5-minute candle just opened, but it closed below this support. So let's see if it just wants to move up hella fast or if it's going to come all the way down into here.
Yeah, if it break below, over it. That shit too high for me.
You can respect this. You definitely can respect this. But I just like the weak bearish candles that we were formulating. Weak bearish. But it's 9:30, and as you start breaking these lows on impulse entries or impulse, it's likely go up or go that direction. So like you got this wick that's about to come right there. So if it breaks it, good go. But yeah, I mean, I'm surprised that it did all this at, yeah, see, there it goes. I'm surprised it did all this at 9:30, just closing like this though. Yeah, delete, by the way, I'm deleting. How much was this on this break of this? Over here. 50. Real quick. I think the 4-hour that might have been the 4-hour turning. All right, now projects. And the 4-hour lows are the 4 is about to break the previous low. And if I were impulsive, but you literally have no stop loss. I get a 15-minute closure under here though. I'll take it down. Ooh.
I just knew this shit was finna fall.
After this closure and this closure, respecting this support, you would think that it wouldn't have. It came right into there too. And it's so funny because this candle or this was bound to happen eventually. It's just like, are you willing to wait all this time? This it finally fell. I say all this time like it was just a hella long time, but break it this low, gave you like 50, came up negative 50, and positive 150.
And 9:30 gonna do it every time.
9:30, come on, bruh. And look at the little top wick on it though. Yo, this is wild. Well,
looking like a 9:45.
yes, sir, it is. Yes, sir, it is. I'm at 178.56. I need to get to $180 to make a withdrawal. Might respect this. Is that a 4-hour support? No. A 1-hour support. And I don't want to catch a falling knife. But if this shit close respecting, then the next candle rush straight down, enter on a break at a high, Brandon style. Let me try my little hand at that lower risk. Let me turn my wrist down a little bit. Let me not make this a nasty day. but it's definitely respecting this 15-minute and 1 hour support right here. Closes below it. Could be ready to go down. 30 minutes, still got room to fall into here. I don't care if it's 120 little dollars after the split, 140 little dollars. I still want it. So, I said you gotta get to 20% or two. What? So it's like 2% or whatever of what the starting balance is. So if I'm at 9,000, I gotta get to 180 and be able to make a withdrawal. The theme music.
All right, let's see where we at. 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Bruh, what'd you say? It was no stress. I don't even know how to feel. And bruh, it's new to me. Get up and stretch. It might be time in a minute. I need to see exactly what I want to see too. Now, we done ran so damn much, bro. Damn it. Bro, there's literally nothing in the play. Still, and this is like, it ain't much left, but it's something. I mean, that's still 50, 60, even down into here is 30. I need this to pull up and then leave a wick and make a top wick. And those on YouTube, please throw a like and subscribe. It would definitely help me out. If you're interested in this platform, Top One Futures, you can use my code at checkout and it'll give you the best code that they got. They're doing 57.5% off right now. So use Trading Homes at checkout. And you can start eating with us. You got these 5-minute candles that are coming down hard as hell. They came right into this little support area right here. This is so annoying. Because we were supposed to buy up here. I just wanted a little 35, 40 in here.
Getting too tight.
You think so?
Yeah.
You still got room. I mean, it's like, it looks like a little, but that's still 50. But I agree. Like, I prefer to be way up here. Or closest to here as possible. Let's see what this last minute does. I want to say the 4 hours. Yeah. It's just dumping. It keeps breaking like 4 hour lows. Let's see. 1 minute. Bro, what the hell is going on? This candle, like I said, just starts bone rushing straight down and closes hella close to here and like starts breaking all these lows. I definitely would take a re-break of its own high. but we'll see. This range is definitely too small for me now though for the sell. It done made the move. But if it closes respecting this, like it's looking like it's about to do, and like comes rushing down, I definitely will take the buy for the top wick. Well, is it leaving enough, Roger? Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, maybe give a top wick and just keep going all the way down, to be honest. I've seen that a lot too.
It's close. It's so close. Like how that already took over some of that range. And that's what I saw about y'all. Like, if this would have closed down here.
Yep. It's about to keep coming down. Watch.
Well, this is the daily low right here. So now that this whole range has been filled into here, the whole thing, you're probably waiting on a closure back above a support, like up here, or you're waiting on it to come up to come down. But I see nothing before 10, honestly. Oh, man. I want to take my little 2 micros or 1 micro for my $2, $1.44. We'll see if I do, but I wouldn't do that on stream. At least I'll probably just take. Close your eyes and press buy or sell for $2. What's the move, man? What's the move, Roger? Tell me something good, man.
Well, we can stay right here for the next
12 minutes. Yeah, take it up. I might take my little 1 micro right quick, just on the off chance that I don't take anything else. But I think that this is going, when it breaks this high, probably gonna go up for a few dollars. And if not, I'll just cut it at $20, $30 on a 1. But don't be alarmed if y'all hear my order filled on my 1 micro for my $1.44. They made like $3 or $4 to cover the spreads. This is crazy how much this is rejecting. caught one trade. I didn't hold it for what I should have, so I caught 32. I ain't gonna cry over making money. I just expected to make a little more than that and have another opportunity.
Yeah, this shit don't make what I wanted to do. Call it a day for me.
On a re-break, maybe take a 1 micro and see if I can get a few dollars.
Order filled.
There we go. I'm trying to wait for my 10 seconds. That gotta be it.
Order filled.
11. I wound up making $3. 180.32. Look at that. What are we doing, Roger? What's the move, man? That's so crazy. Even that little move ran 50. 42.76. 5 minutes. Let's see. Bro, look at this rejection. Like you said, though, it's still not bad to buy up in the next 7 minutes. I would prefer it close down here more so, but it closes respecting this.
Yeah, but if we get back in that range,
Yeah,
right on it.
because if it closes in 7 minutes respecting this, it'll still be above this respecting this 4-hour support. Yeah, this is probably my last idea though. Go back on up in my lots before I forget and be mad. I'm looking at making $20 little. Bro, it ain't nothing like it. He said, bro, I forgot to change it. And then that's when it flies into profit. Every time. 6 minutes. Take the break of this high. Anticipating to come up to here. Hey, bro, that 11 seconds felt like a year. It always does. Always does. I was like, let me just make my little something real quick. I seen like 15 real fast. I know I couldn't take it because they'd be holding.
Oh, stay down.
Yeah, bro. Look at this 15-minute time frame, y'all. And I ain't really trying to take it up too much because you got this resistance right here. That's 60 away, which is cool. If I can catch 30, 40 of that, I would be happy and I would call it a day. 5 minutes, bro. Come on. Stay down. This 5 minute done. These 2 5-minute candles I went easy, bro. This is insane. From down here, where the open was, this last 2 5 minutes, candles done ran 160. I need this one. Come on, finish down here. And you can use a 1 hour candle, which is a rejection out of here. Come on up and make what should be the top wick, even if the 1 hour candle wants to go down. Not much of a top wick on the 5 minute. Roger, you itching, bro? Or you good?
I'm good. I told you, bro, I don't be stressing no more, bro.
If it's 200, it's 200, huh?
Yeah. I'd rather a 200 than a negative 200.
I'm telling you. I mean, I'm only up 180, but if I wanted to make a withdrawal right now, I can smack for 180. So that's better than 0. But I'm gonna definitely see how this 15 closes. Part of me's like, don't be scary. Just go your full risk that you would normally use. Another part of me like, protect the capital. At least go down to 5 or 6. I'm like, man, what's the difference, bro? You trust
keep
it, you
jumping
trust
like
it.
this. Fuck.
Yeah, man. I mean, what are we doing? 3 minutes. Come on, 5. Hold on, man. Shit. I need to retest down into here. And I want to get in on the break of this high, riding it up to like 30 or 40, and I'll be content. Because you technically got to support, like right here, yeah. So it's still got room into there. Yeah, bro, you got room into there.
Okay. Come on now. Don't jump.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Do the jumping
Yeah,
while
be
we're
stretching.
in the trade.
Like I said, I made a little 117 on on some accounts. On like 7 accounts, I made 117. And it's so funny because you look at the P&L today, it's like up 862. You're like, that's not too 827, sorry. Plus it's 180, so up a band. I just see more. I see more opportunity. The direction of the day is ultimately bullish. But I think what's going on right now is this bitch trying to come out the top. And we called it too. I ain't know all this would happen. Would you enter on the break of its own high if it came straight down, or would you want to use this though? Probably this. Yeah, probably here. 1 minute. One minute. Come on. Come on, 5 minutes. Don't do me dirty. Come down, please. Come on, man. Leave a wick. I do think it's going. I think it's going to ultimately sell, but I want to catch the top wick before the sell, which is what this 15-minute break of this high would be. But it needs to do better than this. If it closes like this, man, I'm not doing shit. Come on, man. Come on. Where can our stop loss go off of top of my head. Off the top of my head, a stop loss can go under this previous 5 candle. Or under this candle, but likely more so under there.
It's the longest minute ever.
42.75 is the entry. I gotta see what I want to see for me to even take it. Oh my.
Shit.
This slick might sell if it re-breaks its own low. With the top wick, no bottom wick, I might try my hand at that. Just a low risk though, lower risk. Just with the price action of creating a top wick first, coming down, re-breaking its own low. I'm going 5 micros over here. It's really jumpy though, so don't be surprised if this shit gets you out the paint. Oh, we'll see. It just, I don't know. Was that? Oh, it might have been news. I sure forgot that there was news at 10 a.m. ISM manufacturing. No bottom or not much of a bottom. If it re-breaks a low, that push can be dumb fast because it has a wick to fill. Let's see. We'll see. Like I said, I'm just going to 5 micro over here.
Order
Stop
filled.
filled.
All right. I'm going to be kind of quick with that trigger finger, though. No lie, this shit is jumpy as hell. Drag it down. Let's see. If it gets me out the paint quick, I'm going to know. Let's see. Come on now. Damn, I was anticipating volume to just get me in and take me down.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see if that's what it wants to do. You do have this 15-minute that closed bullish. I was expecting way more of a bottom wick than just that. So let's see if it can re-break its own low. But come on, come back down. Re-break your own low. Yeah, I thought that the volume with news after making a top wick and nothing else, that it was going to come on down quickly, but it may not. Come on, flip. Flip down, flip down, flip down, flip down. Oof, it just flipped ever so slightly. Nah, it shouldn't have. A lot of volume in this candle, but got stop loss for a reason. So I'm gonna try not to take that full stop though. If I see like minus 30, 35, 40, I'll probably just cut it. Because I think ultimately the direction can still be down, but I don't know. The real stop can be all the way up here as well if you wanted to use here. Damn, part of me want to move this stop to up here. Like, do I want to make that turn to a bigger loss than it should? Let's see. Come on now, come down. Let's see. I'm gonna move this up here for now, and I'm gonna just see how this turns out. At least cut half if it breaks its own high, if it has a resistance to respect right there. So I have a 5 running. I will cut at least 3. Market. I'm in a sell. I would buy as the opposite. Let's see. This 5-minute candle is about to close bullish. 20 seconds, potentially. Man, come on down, bro. All right, 5-minute candle just opened. Man, come on now. So I'll go ahead and set a buy stop on the break of this high of 3, just in case it wants to get me out the paint. We came close to the entry point again. Just need to re-break its low again. Come down into here. Come on, man. It needs to come on down and break its own lows. Continue to break its own lows. This 5 right here. If it keeps breaking this high, it may come on up to fill this wick right here, but I need to break this low. All right. You're getting back close to entry if you want to cut it close. I'm down like 20, 18. I'm trying to see. I think this shit still is, the direction is down. It's just I'm hoping that this is the top wick and we don't got to make a taller top wick than this. 5 minutes now, re-breaking its own high. Man, come on now. Got my stop loss in place for a reason though. I'm cutting half at the break of its own high, then I'm cutting the full thing all the way up here. If it re-breaks the 1 hour, previous 1 hour, because at that point it disrespected its own high and the previous 1 hour. It probably should go on up. So we'll see. But I'm only in on a 5 micro, so hoping that we can just keep breaking these lows and coming down. Trying to make me work for it. If I can get a 5-minute candle to close bearish, that would be great. Man, I cannot believe that that thing came down and got me in just to shoot up again. 1 hour support, 1 hour close below this 1 hour, 4 hour close bearish. Everything closed bearish. All right, like I said, back to close to break even again. Just gotta see if we can come on and push through it. Where's the volume, man? Push down. All right. Back that break even now. Flipping again.
Yeah, it needs to go all the way down though. Don't do
Yeah, exactly. I'm looking to go ahead and for it to go ahead and go, because once it breaks this 5 low, all right. So be quick here. All right, it should be quick. All right, up. Seem like 2025. I'm still in though. I'm trying to just take my full position at the bottom. I ain't gonna lie. All right. Let's see what it can do. Come on now. Push. And go ahead and finish it out for me, Roger. I have it right at this support right here.
Yeah, I got
close.
the
All right, it's coming. It's close. You up like 30.
Jump down. Let's go.
You up like 30. Be careful. Come on, fall. There's no top wick shit. Man.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Caught it. And if it finishes it out, it finishes it out. There you go. Boom. Okay, good trade again. So took home another 32. So 32 and 32 pips today on those trades. 32 and 32. Where did I get 42? I be antsy, bro. I be like, man, fuck it. Like, give me my money on the table. And then I targeted that. You out, Roger?
Yeah, I'm out.
How much you take?
Just got 300 today. I just took my shit. It's too much.
Sir, that was a good stream. That was a good stream. You had to work for that. That's 2 trades that I took today. Off of this with that 5-minute no top wick, bro. That should be scaring me because I'd be like, man, it can come up and make your top wick. And of course, this thing is falling way further than I anticipated, but I ain't mad at 64 pips on the day though. I'm not mad at that. It is what it is. So that was a great trade because this tapped this resistance area like damn perfectly. Right here. Yep, right here. So I was just targeting here. And once again, left a little 50, 60 bucks on the table, but it's better than 0.
That shit's still gonna close below and go down. Yeah.
Do I press my luck on my third set of accounts?
What is it? 3 minutes? 3 minutes left.
So I made 148 on these accounts, 117 on these accounts. I ain't even marked this shit up. I got somewhere to be actually at 11. But the best thing about live streaming is marking shit up is every day on YouTube. So you can go back and watch. So I tell people, go watch the stream. You know what's crazy about that, Roger? We were sitting in drawdown and I still wasn't tripping.
Mm-hmm.
I promise you. I was like, I mean, it is what it is, bro. Like, we'll see. Let me make sure all those are closed out. I gotta start. I say start. I be trying to hold my positions sometime and don't be doing it sometimes. I need to just stick to it if that's what I'm gonna do, because that in that instance will be the one where it ran an extra 30-40 on a 1 even. That's an extra $30-$40. Bro, this got room to go, bro. I think still. I might be done over here, maybe, but I have one more set of accounts that hasn't been touched today. 693. Is it gonna close below this even right here, bro? Ooh. But you got a 1 hour support right there. But that worry you, or you think it's got a wick to fill and it should be good with this volume?
If we can close under that 1 hour, I think it's good, bro. Like, this shit finna go down.
Yeah, with all this volume.
It's gonna get that wick feel for sure.
me. Which the wick fill is here. And I don't even need the full thing. That's 100 pips away. And depending on how this candle open up. Because you don't got a stop loss right now. That's not bad that it opens with a little top or little bottom.
Maybe give a higher top.
Yeah. If it just goes, it goes, bro. And I'm cool with that. I've taken 2 good trades today. 32 pips on both. On a 5, made 160. That's 32. On a 6, made 186. That's 32. So. Joseph, you still in it to win it, or you calling it today? Looking like about to call it a day. Damn, we gotta start holding these, Roger. We got to figure out a way. Putting that trust in them damn higher time frames, bro, and just having that conviction. It's hard when you just sat in drawdown to not take it, but I mean, this is perfect, bro. Perfect. Joseph, have we lost since you've been in the chat? This man ain't seen them nasty days. He's seen the bad days. Yeah, man, you the good luck charm. What can I say? 50 today. Yeah, I had 64 today. So, not mad about that. Yeah, Roger, that's looking like my day, brother.
Yeah.
I'm cool with that. Let's see.
Man, if we would get that top wick, damn sure that's it.
Yeah, you got no top wick on this 15. All you were doing was probably targeting into like here. So if it would have broke, like came straight up, target into here, bro, that would have been easy 45, 50. Yeah, we gotta let's call it. Let's call it. Because what you say, that's 300 a day, bro. You said it. So what you finish at?
302.
Yeah, I'm at 334. And that was micros. So I'm going
9 more days.
What'd you say?
Said 9 more days.
That's it. Brandon said he finished 306. I know he was over there bullshitting. That boy was fighting. Let's see. What I used to say, what happened? Yeah. I think we milked this market enough today.
On a Monday,
just given the circumstances, we did. Brandon over there fighting like we ain't take 2 trades with hardly any drawdown. I want to say this most recent trade only saw, hell, that one even only saw like, entry was 4273.9. That one saw 35 tips of drawdown, bro. That's like not bad. I just gotta commit to taking half my position if that's what I say I'm gonna do. It's all good though. It's all learning lesson. Well, let me make my payout withdrawal lockout for today. So request payout 334.12. Rise. Enter my little authenticator code. Passwords. Codes.
Where is that daily low? At this point, that shit
dumb far away.
Oh yeah, that shit far as fuck.
Yeah, I'm about to be in the car. So I just requested my little payout. All trades. Yep, payout submitted. Yeah, about to go ahead and get dressed. Get ready to get on out of here. We about 150 away from the daily low. Whoever's still looking, so it done flipped on us. It's down there. So all right, good stream, y'all. Another 64 pips to the bank. So we'll be back on tomorrow. Thank y'all.
All right, y'all.
Yep. Be easy.